Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Himani Goyal Soul Studio. I'm Himani. So here I am with my weekly horoscope for the week 16th of August till 22nd of August as per your zodiac sign. So चलिए देखते हैं इस हफ्ते यूनिवर्स आपको क्या गाइड कर रहे हैं as per your zodiac sign, and you can plan your week accordingly. I will put down timestamp of all the zodiac signs so that you can check your zodiac according to the timestamp and take the guidance. बट बिफोर दैट, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे न्यू है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए माय यूट्यूब चैनल. प्रेस द बेल आइकन so that you will get all the new tarot videos notifications. Share this video with your family and friends so that they can also plan their week according to these guidances. अगर वो confused है या कोई decision लेना है तो these guidances will surely help them to plan their week. Also, I will put down my social media handles, my email ID in the description box so that it is easy for you to connect with me through these social media handles, or you can mail to me also your questions or if you want certain suggestions, I will directly mail you also. So चलिए, without wasting any time, let's get started. And don't forget, मैं आपको readings दूंगी. आप क्वेश्चन मेल कर सकते हो, जो पर्सनलाइज रीडिंग्स आपको चाहिए मैं मेल पे ही आपको वो रीडिंग दे सकती हूँ. हिंदी, इंग्लिश आप मेंशन कर दीजिएगा. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट जोडिएक साइन है एरीज. तो चलिए देखते हैं एरीज के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. ओके, सो एरीज आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 2 ऑफ स्प्रिंग का, विच मीन्स दिस वीक अ ब्राइट फ्यूचर विल बी मैनिफेस्टेड थ्रू योर हार्ड वर्क एंड क्रिएटिविटी. So use your hard work, put your efforts to have a bright future this week. Also, you can partner with others who share your dreams. So it is easy to work in a team where you can partner with others who have the same goals and dreams. And this week you have made great progress. So keep on working hard and surely you will win in the end and your wishes will be manifested. So all the best Aries. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडिएक साइन टॉरस, वृषभ राशि. चलिए देखते हैं. सो टॉरस आपके लिए कार्ड आया है किंग ऑफ स्प्रिंग का. दिस मीन्स दिस वीक यू आर वेरी इंस्पायरिंग, वेरी वाइज. Also there might be a financial windfall for you Taurus. Maybe your FD is matured, or maybe somebody who had lent money from you will be returning it back, or you will receive your stuck money which has been stuck since long. Also this week your leadership skills are needed for your team. Your team is required your leadership skills, so make use of it as you are innovative and inspiring for others. Also you might find some unexpected supporter for your cause. You must have started some cause. You will definitely find an unexpected supporter for it. So all the best Taurus. चलिए let us move on to the next zodiac sign, that is Gemini. चलिए देखते हैं Gemini के लिए इस हफ्ते क्या गाइडेंस है. Okay, so Gemini, for you the card is the Emperor, which means this week you are very authoritative, very organized. Also you are very compassionate leader. People follow your advice. Your team members follow your advice to reach their goals. You use logic and structured approach to increase your success. So you have logic, you are using that structure to increase your success, and definitely Gemini, you will success in your work, in your professional life. Your team will follow you. You will be a compassionate leader for them. So all the best. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडिएक साइन कैंसर. लेट्स सी कि कैंसर के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है इस हफ्ते. चलिए देखते हैं. ओके, सो कैंसर, फॉर यू द कार्ड इज बैलेंस, which means this week you might be taking everyone's input into consideration. So you are stuck and you need some solution. So this week you will be taking everyone's input into consideration, merge their viewpoints to get a better solution. So based on their inputs, you will merge them and you will find the solution for your stuck problem. Also this week you need to be patient. There is no need to rush out things. Take your time, maintain balance, and work slowly to reach your goals, and have patience. All the best, Cancer. Chaliye. Next zodiac sign, Leo. Let's see the guidance for Leo. What is stored for Leo? Okay, Leo, for you the card is Two of Summer, which means if you are single, you will fall in love, or or already in a relationship, will make a serious commitment to someone. Also, this week, forgiveness is the resolution to all your problems in relationship. So if you are facing problems in your relationship, forgiveness is the only resolution. Talk to your partner and sort out differences. Don't give up. Your relationship will surely be healed. You should have patience and continue working to improve your relationship. All the best, Leo. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडियक साइन वर्गो. लेट्स सी द गाइडेंस फॉर वर्गो. इस हफ्ते वर्गो के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है? ओके, वर्गो आपके लिए कार्ड आया है प्रिंसेस ऑफ विंटर, विच मीन्स दिस वीक यू विल बी वेरी रियलिस्टिक एंड इंक्विजिटिव. यू विल नॉट बी diplomatic, you will be undiplomatic, inquisitive. You need to understand each and everything in detail. Sometimes it happens, information that help us is very harsh and difficult to hear. Truth is always difficult to hear, but you always speak truth. So it is advisable for you to speak truth with kindness. I know you must be having information, and you want to tell this to your friend who will be difficultly to hear this problem. So it is always important to speak the truth with kindness, with compassion. So speak the truth which you know to your friend, and do it with kindness. So all the best, Virgo. Chaliye next zodiac sign, Libra. Let's see the guidance for Libra. Okay, Libra, for you the card is Three of Summer, which means this week you will be celebrating news which is worth celebrating with your friends, colleagues. It may be your promotion, it may be your success, you have achieved your goal, or you have got salary hike. So it is the time for celebrating. It also means announcements such as childbirth or wedding of your friend, or graduation. So you will be having lots and lots of celebrations. It is the time to cherish your friends. It is the time to enjoy with them. Enjoy every moment with them. So all the best, Libra. Chaliye next zodiac sign, Scorpio. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is Renewal, which means this week you need to review the past and present, learn from it, and you can have a bright future. So always remember, review your past and present. Whatever mistakes you have done in the past or in the present, learn from it so that you have a bright future. It is the time to understand your life purpose. So understand your life purpose and move towards your goals. So overall, you need to understand your life purpose and work towards it. All the best, Scorpio. Chaliye next zodiac sign, Sagittarians. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Sagittarians, for you the card is Prince of Spring, which means this week you are very self-confident, very passionate towards your goal. At the same time, you are charming. Females will get wooed from your charm. So you will be taking immediate action to fulfill your goals. You will not stop. You will continue move ahead to achieve your goals. Any challenge come across towards achieving your goals, you can able to successfully manage. Nobody can stop you. But don't be restless or impatient. Otherwise, if you are impatient, you will do things impulsively which will make you fall down. So don't be restless, don't be impatient. Things will move you have the self-confidence, go ahead and take action towards your goals, or whatever challenges are coming, you will successfully manage. Also, if you are single, you will have a passionate relationship with your partner. So all the best, Sagittarians. So now let us move ahead to Capricorn. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Capricorn, for you we have a beautiful card, 9 of Autumn, which means this week you should reward yourself for all your hard work. You have achieved success in life, so you should reward yourself with gift, with coffee, or pamper yourself in parlor. You are happily and successfully self-employed. So if you are self-employed, you are happy and successful. So make use of it. Singles might need time to find a partner. Till then, they are enjoying their bachelorhood. You are cherishing your time alone. You need more time alone to understand what exact life partner you need. So it is time. You are enjoying your bachelorhood. You are happy and successful, self-employed. So all the best, Capricorn. चलिए नेक्स्ट zodiac sign Aquarius. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Aquarius, for you the card is Queen of Summer. This means this week you are very intuitive, you are very emotional and loving, you are very comforting towards your loved ones. So this week you will listen to your heart and then make decisions. You can trust your intuitive insight. So whatever your intuition says, go for it. You might be taking care of others, but too much care will leave you, you will stop caring for yourself and fell ill. So maintain balance, take care of others, but take care of yourself also. So all the best, Aquarius. Last zodiac sign, Pisces. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Pisces, for you the card is Life Experience, which means let go of any belief system that no longer serve you and that will cause only pain in your life. Also, there might be important life changing event that will change your entire life. It can be a good job opportunity or whatever relationship or anything which is not serving any purpose. Leave it and move ahead. There might be a significant situation that needs significant opportunity. So make use of it. There might be some situation where you have significant opportunities. So all the best, Pisces. And thank you everyone for watching this weekly guidances. I hope this week's guidance will help you to plan your week patiently and confidently. See you next week. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Have a great week ahead. Cheers.